Hello. Oil was particularly bullish in the week leading up to the bank holiday, and UK gas and power also made gains. The following week saw a complete reverse for oil and a partial one for gas and power. The week leading up to the bank holiday was dominated by weak global demand and the expectations of production cuts from the major producing nations. After an initial postponement, the meeting took place on Thursday the 9th and significant cuts were agreed. The net effect on price was a gain of around $5 per barrel versus the end of the previous week, with Brent closing Thursday at over $35 per barrel. Tuesday the 14th was dominated by the concern that the proposed cuts would not be enough to offset reduction in demand as the world economy slows in response to the coronavirus. The previous week's gains were reversed in a single day. The bearish sentiment persisted into Wednesday, which also saw prices fall. Thursday saw the only bullish theme in a bearish week, as a gain in US inventories might lead to a decision to make more drastic cuts, and the day closed marginally up. Brent crude closed last night at $27.41 per barrel, a loss of almost $8 per barrel on the previous Thursday. The upward pressure from the wider fuel complex dominated the week before the bank holiday, although reduced demand limited the upward movement. Winter 20 gained 1.14 pence per therm during that week. From Tuesday the 14th, bearish sentiment dominated with LNG deliveries, weak demand and fall in oil markets. Wednesday continued in similar fashion, and only cooler weather forecasts on Thursday gave any upward pressure. Winter 20 closed last night at 33.15 pence per therm. That's down 0.7 pence per therm on last Friday. As with gas and oil, the week leading up to the bank holiday was bullish. Upward pressure came from the wider fuel complex, but was muted by lower demand. Winter 20 gained £2.25 per megawatt hour over the previous week. Increasing outputs from wind, lower demand and weak gas meant a bearish start to the week on Tuesday. Wednesday's trading was also down with a weak fuel complex and low demand. Thursday saw the only bullish sentiment in a bearish week, with coal and carbon trading up and lower temperatures expected. Winter 20 closed last night at £40.9 per megawatt hour. That's down £0.7 per megawatt hour on last Friday. You can download the full version of this report from our website. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.